What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur the background from a video on CapCut PC. So the first thing that we have to do is to bring the video to our timeline, like so. Then what we want to do is to copy it and paste it above. And for the video above, what we are going to do is going into video, then at remove background, and we're gonna apply auto removal, like so. If we hide the bottom track, we are gonna see that the background for the top one was removed. Now what you need to do is to go to effects and search for a blur effect, and you can pick which one you want. I will pick for this tutorial the first one, and we're gonna apply this blur effect to the bottom clip, like so. And as you can see now, the background is now blurred. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.